Hi, welcome back to Sabtech Online. Today I'm going to take you through the data soft skills you must have as a data analyst, as a business analyst, anyone dealing with data. Even though you have the proficiency in using the data tools, there are some skills you must possess you as an individual. First of all, we start off with the communication skills. I will break it into three. There is clear reporting. Make sure that you have a clear reporting strategy. Present data, insights in its simplest manner, understandable language, tailored to your audience. Every audience have a way they are meant to be communicated to. There is storytelling with data. Frame your analysis as a narrative that guides the stakeholders towards an actionable insights. Make it a story. Don't hard code it for them to get lost from the details. Then there is active listening. Make sure that you understand stakeholders before you jump into analysis. Listening carefully ensures your work aligns with the business plan. That is number one. Number two, we have problem solving. Be a critical thinker. Question assumptions and dig deeper into data to uncover some of the insights. There is also creative solutions under problem solving. Approach challenges with creativity, whether it's fixing data issues or finding new ways of visualizing and analyzing data. Be creative. Then there is data interpretation. Accurately translate raw data into meaningful, actionable insights. When you're given data, you have to be creative, you have to be a critical thinker, you have to make sure that you are good at data interpretation. Then, number three, that is attention to details. That is crucial enough. This one still, I will break it also into three. I will start with accuracy. So ensure that in your data analysis, small mistakes can lead, small mistakes can lead into big losses to the business. And it is a huge impact to a business. So make sure that you have accuracy in whatever you're doing. Understand first how the data should be dealt with from the stakeholders themselves. There are some things we know that for us we may round off to the whole number, but to the business, even a point is impactful to how they are grading that insight or KPI. Then we have error identification. Spot errors early enough in the process such that you mitigate that data inconsistency problem that you're going to face at the end of the day, where you'll find that you have outliers. Make sure that you identify those errors. If you have data with the business, for example, they have never got a price of an SKU at over maybe 100 USDs, and you find one of the items is priced at 10,000 or 100,000, then you have to question that, because that is already an outlier before even you start analyzing, because at the end of the day, you're going to come up with an analysis giving you a decision that is not meant to be though. So make sure you have a spot check on errors. Quality control still under attention to details. Verify the integrity of and consistency of the data you're using before starting drawing conclusions. Number four, we are going to time management. You need to have task prioritization. Manage multiple projects but focusing on high priority tasks. We have done that several times where stakeholders change positions in priority. Make sure that you align before that. I'm going to start this, but in case there is an exception of priority, please alert me such that I don't put much energy on a project or on developing a report that is not required, yet in the middle they are going to request you to have, maybe give us this as you work on the other. So you always have to question and have that task prioritization in your workflows. Efficient workflow I've already talked to that. Make sure you automate your repetitive tasks and create reusable codes. Have tools that do for you automations to some of the tasks you do on daily when you produce. Have templates yourself. Like if I'm a dashboard developer, if I'm a Power BI developer, I will have my own templates, like around 7 templates every project. It's just you start from a template you already have. Don't always start from scratch. Everything you start from scratch. Then multitasking, handling multiple deadlines efficiently without compromising on quality. Yeah, they say sometimes multitasking is it increases procrastination, but most of the cases when you have priorities, you have to multitask to make sure that at least you deliver, but still remember quality shouldn't be compromised. Then we shall have collaboration. Collaboration still, I will break it in 3. There is teamwork, there is feedback integration, and knowledge sharing. So work closely with the departments you're working with or you're developing with. Be open to constructive criticism. If they tell you that this color is too dull, this framework, this template is not right, this KPI, we don't need it, please take the feedback. And it is from the feedback where we get quality. Obviously, knowledge sharing, you have to update your stakeholders. Share insights and techniques and to the colleagues and to the stakeholders. This one is going to strengthen your team's capability on whatever they are developing. We have adaptability. Adaptability for me, I sketch it in let me sketch it into three ways. First, learn new tools. You have to be adaptable. You have to keep learning. Stay yourself up to date. As a data analyst, as a business analyst, we have this AI world that is a black folding everything, but you have to make sure that you keep your skills on that top notch. As a data analyst, as a business analyst, never stop learning. Be flexible to approach any business need. And the last I can say, try to be comfortable when you're handling some issues. Mostly where the requirements are unclear, please try to navigate through uncertainties to deliver results. Then there is this monster which we call business acumen. Understand the business needs. Don't jump into things because you know. First, understand the business needs. Align you with your analysis with what drives the business to success. Then there is decision support. Use data to guide decision making. Make sure that you have good presentation skill for the lead team to always have decisions made from your analysis. Have the industrial knowledge. That is maybe the third. So the industrial knowledge, you must make sure that you stay informed on how the industrial trends are changing. I've already told you we have now a challenge of many AI tools coming on board. Make sure that you acquit yourself with that knowledge. Then we have emotional intelligence. First of all, on emotional intelligence, you have to understand stakeholders' perspectives to provide data insights that matter to them. So you may have a stakeholder, you may have different levels of stakeholders, which means every analysis you produce, you have to break it down to those different stakeholders. You have operations team, you have marketing team, you have the high level in the business, you have the investors in the business. Not all of them are going to feed on the same information. Then there is self-awareness under emotional intelligence. Recognize your strength and areas of growth to improve continuity. The last one there I can say on emotional, make sure that you have that relation management. Build rapport with your stakeholders, such that they can always communicate effectively if you need or if you're giving them feedback. I think you found that helpful. Please go ahead. Don't forget to subscribe on any platform you found this video. We have a LinkedIn channel. I have a YouTube channel. I hold online classes. Please follow. In case there is any information to deliver to you, leave a comment and meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Sign out.